appreciate that you're often described as genuine, ethical, moral, honest, emotional. Why did you become an action business coach then?
Well, it sounds a bit cliche really, James, but I'm really passionate about business. I'm really interested in business. I've owned, built and sold several businesses in the past. I still do now. And I just felt that I could help other business owners in the same situation as I was.
And how has your experience of Action Coach been compared to your expectations?
It's amazing. It's very rewarding. It's much more difficult in many respects, where you're constantly pushed outside of your comfort zone every single day. You're challenged and learning new things, and you have to be like that to be able to get the best out of your clients. So it's a learning curve.
You've achieved a lot, both yourself in personal life and in business. You've built and sold businesses. You've got a record of getting multiple increases in profits with your clients, some over 1,000%. And self-development is at the heart of everything that you do, both personally and with clients. Now, what do you attribute your success down to?
Well, I care as much about the businesses and understand the business owners as much as possible and as much as they do, and that's, genuine for everybody that I work with. So, I hold them accountable. I don't put up with any of their nonsense and own head trash. I challenge them as much as possible and, where needed. And everything we do is not about my ego. It's about the goals that they want to achieve in the business and the life that they want to build.
And you're clearly an exceptional level in understanding where your clients are and really caring about them. As you've just said, you're very strong on accountability and zero BS per se. But you also help sort of build and transition that business owner mindset. Now, how do those strengths complement the Action Coach business growth system when you're coaching?
Okay, so, they marry up perfectly when you look at the proven methodologies that the Action Coach system's got. We incorporate, innovative systems and processes. We also look at the logic from that side of Action Coach with the emotion of the human interaction and stuff, but also, mix the world-class tools with previous and future experiences.
What advice would you give to any business owner out there who wants to grow?
Just get on and do it. Don't put it off. Address the elephants that are in the room. It's a lonely and can sometimes be an all-consuming place being a business owner. So, reach out to whatever help's available and in whatever capacity that is.